So the old aggregate box made out of scrap wood and pallets and some metal kind of fell apart. So we'll make a new one with a steel body and get it cut and welded up and see how that one works. This worked really well. I put it on my forks on my excavator and was able to put quite a bit of material in it, drive it around, dump it, and that worked out pretty nice until it fell apart. So now we'll make a new one. So we'll get something made up with this repurposed channel. So that's the plan. I got my new Harbor Freight welder, and we'll see how that works. Okay, I got the paint and rust wire wheeled off the steel, and we'll try to get this welded up. The forks will come in here and raise up the box. We're gonna weld these two pieces together. Then we'll put some material between this side over to that side. It'll be about 3 feet wide all together. And then we'll take these sides off the old box and put them on the new box. The Harbor Freight welding helmet attached to a 3M air supplied respirator, so we won't be breathing any toxic fumes in. So we'll try to get these two pieces welded up, and we'll see what happens. So far, the Harbor Freight flux core welder is doing a pretty decent job. For $99 with the super coupon, I figured I couldn't go wrong with that little guy. Okay, I got the erector set pieces welded on here. I'm going to nut and bolt the plates, the steel plate that goes across the two fork channels together. It should do what I need it to do. It doesn't have to be super strong. It just needs to carry some gravel, some dirt, what have you. So, alright, we'll start the assembly process. Okay, I admit I am not a professional welder. This is the first welder I've ever owned. So it's trial and error. I've seen a handful of YouTube videos. Thank you to all the YouTube people out there. Okay, we got the back on. We got the sides on. Got a 4x4 post here, screwed. Make the corners. Nuts and bolts here on the side to keep these sides on. And they're bolted into this back side of the channel. Next step is to put these panels in here and reinforce the top with some channel. Some of this erector set channel will go across the top here. I'll just keep on making progress here. And put this steel bar on here. It's actually a weightlifter's bar. Picked it up at a flea market. Picked these little pieces of steel up from a flea market. I'm all about building out of scrap. Everything I build is repurposed or scrap in some form. I just put a great big lag bolt through here as a temporary. The idea is to fill this up with rock or dirt and just take the bucket and just pick that bar up and dump the box. So we'll get this set up, and we'll get the forks in the cat, and we'll give it a try. All right, here goes nothing. So we got the pile knocked down a little bit. Got the riprap spread around the driveway. We still need some more spread. I'm going to do something special with that guy. The recycled, repurposed aggregate box, all made out of recycled material, repurposed material, bits and pieces from flea markets, has done exceptionally well. It could be improved, it could be beefed up. If it's made too strong or too heavy, I can't carry as much material, so I try to make it as light as possible. It could be considered flimsy, but I'm not working on a commercial job. I'm not working by the hour. I'm just using this for around the homestead here. So, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to do a good job, and it did a good job today. We removed a lot of rock. We'll continue the road building at another time. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.